What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online with Clickbank in 2020 and beyond, and more importantly, step by step. Now, a lot of you guys want to know how to make money on Clickbank. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and Clickbank is a very good platform to make money online. But a big problem people have is they don't know how to do it fast. What's the fastest way to make money? What's the fastest way to actually go and get results? So in this video, I want to take you through how you can get results quickly. And I've been making money on Clickbank for a really long time. It's a great platform to use to go and make money online. And when I talk about fast, I'm talking about a 3-step process that's very simple to do. And I'm going to take you through everything in this video. So make sure you strap in and make sure you stay to the end. So I'm going to show you some little secrets on how you can make even more money with this particular method. Now, if you're not sure what Clickbank is, how it works, and how all of this stuff works, it's very simple. So Clickbank is a website where you find products to promote. So you send someone to a specific product and you can promote it and you get like a little link. This is called an affiliate link. It's a tracking link. So this link is actually called a hop link, but this link, if someone clicks on this link and goes through to the person's product and they purchase, you can get a commission. It can be 30%, 40%, all the way up to like 70%. I've even seen 90%, but usually it's around about 50 to 70% that you can make. So you can make quite a good amount of money. As you can see on the screen here, this one sells here for $300, while the average sale that you would get is $343, which is quite a significant amount of money. Now, this is called affiliate marketing, and it's really simple to understand. But one of the biggest problems online is no one teaches you how to do this stuff correctly. Okay, you don't want to go out and spam your links in YouTube comments or anything like that. You want to do this properly so you can make a good amount of money. And not only that, it's long-term and passive. I've built 6-figure businesses from Clickbank alone. I'm going to show you how to do it properly in this video. So smash a like on this video, guys, because I'm going to show you how to do this correctly so you can make real proper money and actually make something online. So the first step, guys, this isn't part of the 3-step process, but you want to actually go to clickbank.com. You want to click create account, and that's it. Once you sign up to Clickbank, it's completely free. Now, once you sign up, you're going to get taken into Clickbank. You can simply sign in. Now, once you sign in, you want to click on Marketplace at the top, and it's going to take you to a page like this, okay? A section like this. Now, this is where all the products are. So the next step in this process is we need to pick a product. Now, for this particular method, it needs to be the right product, and I've found it for you. So we'll get into that in a second. But you want to find a product that makes money, and you want to find a product that has resources that you can use. These are called affiliate marketing resources. So stuff like videos, emails, images, and all that sort of good stuff. And I've found the perfect product. So once you're in this section here, you want to go down to self-help, and you want to click on a product called Overnight Millionaire System, okay? Don't actually click on the particular product. So I'll show you what it looks like. This is it here. It's a self-help mind hacks sort of program. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to here. If you want to promote it, you just click promote and your link will come up. But we'll talk more about that in a second. You just click generate hop links. But you want to click on affiliate page down here, okay? Click affiliate page. That will take you to a page that looks like this. The best part about this product is they give you all the videos you need, okay, to promote, and all the emails that you need. It's literally done for you. So they give you emails, old emails. They give you everything you need to make this work, okay? So once you find this product, this is called the Overnight Millionaire System. Now, you don't have to do just this product. You want to just go and find products that have resources for you. So like I said, the affiliate page. You want to make sure it has an affiliate page because you will need to use their resources for this particular method. Now, once you have a product that you've found, the next step is simple. We want to collect emails. This is very important, guys. You must concentrate. You need to collect emails to build a real business online. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So a simple opt-in form, I'm going to give you one for free. Okay, there'll be a link in the description so you don't have to create your own. And we're going to create an email list. So essentially what we want to do is collect emails and put them into what we call a sequence of events so we can make money. So let's say John, Bob, and Sarah go to our page and give us their email. We then want to redirect them to our affiliate link. And then they will get redirected to the offer and you can make money there. But we also put them on the email list. There's 2 reasons why you want to do this. Number 1, because we want to get them in the email list. We want to collect leads. Number two, it creates a bridge page. So we're going to get in trouble when we're trying to get traffic. So this is how it works, okay? We want to put people into an email list. Now, what I'm going to do in this video is give you a quick rundown on funnels. But what I've done is I've got a free form that you can use below, plus a free video on how to create your own one and how to use the form that I'm giving you, plus a complete video on how to create email lists as well. We're not going to do that in this video because that's not what we're concentrating on. We're concentrating on making money with Clickbank. So all you do is I use ClickFunnels and I simply go and edit the page, and you're going to get the page below, okay? And it's very, very simple. All I want to do is you can edit all of this stuff here, okay? But all you want to do is a couple of things. You want to connect your email software. Go up to here and go to integrations, and you can simply connect your email software that you're going to use. I have a video on that. And you want to go to settings and general, and you want to put your affiliate link in here. So go to here, and I'm going to go to promote, generate link, and I want to grab that link and I want to put it into here. Okay. And that's it, right? And so what would happen is if I go back, click save. If I go back real quick, let me show you, and I go and I take this link here, which is the link that you would be sending your traffic to now. So we'll go to this link where you click the email. And if I put in the email, it should now direct me to the affiliate page. Should do, hopefully. And yes, it has. Okay. So that's what you want to do, but I will have a video below on that, guys. It's a little bit more to it than that, on how you can create your own funnels, your own pages, use this one and the email marketing as well, okay? So check those out, completely free for you to watch. Now, the next step is the traffic, which is probably the most important, and this is how we make the money quickly and fast, and how to make money online fast. So step number 3 is we want fast traffic. Now, there's a method out there where you can get laser specific targeting. I'm talking really, really specific, and easy to use, and it's really fast. So what am I talking about? Now, this is the reason we're going to want the videos that they provided, okay? We're going to go out and do YouTube ads, and we're going to place specifically targeted, strategically targeted ads on specific channels. So let me explain to you exactly how this works. I'll take you through step by step. Now, if you don't have any money for ads, that's fine. You can actually go into Google and put in Google Ads coupon, and they will give you $100 to go and try this. $100 for free. So you can go and try Google Ads, depending on what country you're from, but usually they give you around about $100. So just go to Google Ads coupon and you can get traffic for free up to $100. Now, if you want to know how to create a Google account, it's very simple. Just go into Google and go sign up to Google. Okay, sign up to Google AdWords, and you can simply go and create a Google account, create an AdWords account, or here, sign up, welcome to Google Ads. Very, very simple. Once you sign up, you'll be brought to a place like this, and your coupon should be activated. So you can do this for free. You can get free traffic for up to $100. I'm going to go to all campaigns, and I'm going to click campaigns here, and I'm going to click the little plus symbol here. Okay, so the traffic's really the most important part. Like, obviously the offer's the important part as well, but traffic is really important. Okay, so I'm going to go to campaign, new campaign. Now, in this particular case, right, we're not really going to be tracking anything because it's not our product. We'll probably be tracking leads. That's the only thing that we'll be tracking. But in my opinion, when you're starting, your account's not going to have any data anyway. So just go create a campaign without a goal in mind. But essentially you want to be collecting leads, but just do that later on down the track when you actually see if this works for you or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create campaign without a goal in mind. It doesn't really matter. Like Google's pretty smart in optimizing things. And I'm going to actually do a video, create a video ad that is designed to increase reach. Now, we're going to use their video, okay? So don't go and create your own video. Now in here, we're going to go custom video campaign. Just leave it on custom video campaign. Obviously, once you start to make money and you start to dive into this more, you can test more. You can see what works for you the best. You can see what doesn't work for you the best, because there is a lot of testing involved with ads. Eventually, when you start to make a bit of money, you want to really narrow things down and get the cheapest cost possible. Now you can name your campaign. We'll just name this YouTube test. And campaign total, you want to change that to daily. okay, daily. And you can run this on 10, 20, 30 bucks per day or $5 per day. If you have the coupon, it's not really going to matter. But I would recommend at least $10 per day, okay? Probably a little bit more if you can. That's $10 New Zealand, so $10 US will be fine. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to leave this all like it is. We'll just leave that like it is. Country, you want to put in your specific countries. I recommend the 5 stack, and I'll explain to you what that means. So enter location, United States, United Kingdom, and Australia. This is called the 5 stack, guys. This is the 5 most profitable countries you can target. Australia's got a really high CPM. You can make quite a bit of money. Australia has people that are willing to buy. Now, in the networks, I did say leave this like that, but you might want to take search off. It really just depends, but just leave it like it is for now. Leave all of this like this is right here, but click additional settings. And you want to check frequency capping, okay? And you want to put cap, impression, frequency. I do mine on 2 per day because you don't want to annoy people. You don't want your video to show up to the same people more than 2 or 3 times per day. It doesn't really matter with cold traffic, which is what we're doing now, but with retargeting, it can be a bit of a pain. But just put it on impression caps 2 or 3. And you also want to go up to here and you want to go, so devices, set specific targeting for devices. You want to exclude TV screens because people can't click links on TV screens. Okay, so take away TV screens, probably even tablets as well, because most of your traffic is going to be coming from mobile phones and desktop. Okay, and that's all you need to do in this particular section. And that's it there. Now we're going to what we call an ad group. I just name mine usually group 1. Okay. Group 1, and you can choose things like ages. I like to take off 65 plus and 55 to 64. My age range is usually 18 to 45, and you can leave the rest like that. Audience is, I think we're doing, so audience, don't worry about audience. We're going to do a secret little trick here, so don't worry about audience, okay? What we want to do is go to placements. What we're going to be doing, you can literally put ads on specific YouTube channels or even on specific videos. It's crazy. You can put ads to my videos. It's crazy. This is how mental advertising is. So the product we want to promote is in the self-help, motivation niche, make money online niche. So this is just an example. I found this specific YouTube channel, which is about inspiration, motivation, education. Obviously, you would need to go and find channels that suit the product that you're going to be promoting. But this is going to work well for me. It gets lots of views. You want to make sure the channel gets quite a lot of views. So they do get quite a lot of views, and it's about motivation. All I'm going to do is copy the URL. So click on home. I'll get rid of the featured. I'm going to copy the URL here. Copy. Easy. I'm going to go back to my thing here, and I'm going to simply paste it. And it will take a while to come up, but it should hopefully come up for us. And there it is. You just tick that little box and we can now run ads on this specific channel. That's how targeted this is. And you can put in multiple channels. Or if you wanted to, you could do it on a specific video. You could just do it on one of these videos. You just go to the video, you copy the video URL, and you simply paste it in here just like I did with this. Crazy, okay? So that's the targeting. Let's say, for example, we're going to specifically target this YouTube channel, okay, in the self-help niche. We've got a product in the self-help niche. We have a YouTube channel we can place ads on in the self-help niche. So we're ready to start creating an ad to run on this particular channel. Now we're going to scroll down and do the bidding. I always recommend starting your bidding at around about 0.05, and it hasn't given us an estimation. So either 0.10 or 0.5 or in between, okay? Now, it doesn't mean you're going to spend that much. So what this is maximum cost per view. So how much you're going to pay per view. It doesn't mean you're going to spend 0.5 cents per view. It means it'll spend up to that, okay? Usually it's a lot less. I usually do 0.05 or 0.10. Somewhere in between there, or 0.10, and then because what you got to understand is with ads, you don't have any data yet. Once you start running ads, you start getting some results, then Google will recommend maybe a better cost per view, or you can test different cost per views and see what one works the best for you. Now here's where we do the actual YouTube ad. So I've actually uploaded one of the ads. So what you want to do is download one of these videos that from this particular product or whatever product you've found. There's lots of products on Clickbank with videos. You want to download one of these videos and simply upload it to a YouTube account. Once it's uploaded, which it is here, I'm going to go click on visit. You want to first go no, not made for kids. And you want to click visibility and you want to put it on unlisted. Okay. And click done. I don't need to explain how to upload a YouTube video, guys. It's very simple to do. You can even Google how to do that. So make a YouTube account, upload the video, and then I'm going to go done. Now I'm going to copy the URL of this video by clicking this little symbol here, copy URL, and I'm going to go back to here and post it into here. And now you'll see that the ad is there. Okay, this is the video. So now the video is in there. What we want to do is click skippable in-stream ads, and you want to put in your final URL. Now, the URL is going to depend on what funnel program you use and stuff like that. But I would highly recommend you actually have a website and you build a funnel on a proper website, or use the ClickFunnels plugin to do it. I'm just going to copy this link here. This is the link because I want to send them to this page right here. Okay, I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to put my final URL in there, and then display URL. I'll just leave it. You can take this out. This is just what's going to show up on the actual video. So franklin.clickfunnels.com is fine. Okay. And then you can do a call to action. So you see a little call to action here. I'm going to go watch. I usually do stuff like watch now because it is a video. And maybe I'll do something like free training. So it says free training, watch video. And now it actually has our estimated cost and stuff. So according to this particular niche, the average cost per view is going to be 0.1 and 0.2. So 0.5 is completely fine. Okay. As you change it will actually change this a little bit, but that's if I put in 0.5, I'm going to be paying around about 0.1 to 0.2. If I actually change this real quick, it'll change. So it's changed a little bit. Now I'm basically telling Google, hey, I'm willing to spend a little bit more for more ad space, and Google will charge me 0.1 to 0.3. If I change it to 0.20, it's changed again, okay? So just 0.5 or 0.10, 0.05 or 0.10 is completely fine, okay? That's what I start all my stuff with. And then all you do is you go down and click Create Campaign. You can name your campaign here. And that's it. And then you go create campaign. And I'm not going to do it because I don't want to create this campaign, but that's really the secret, guys, to getting traffic fast. Is you want to be collecting the emails and you want to be sending them into an email marketing system. And this is how you make the money. The most important thing is the traffic. Now, Google traffic is good because it's fast. You can get really, really specific and targeted like I just showed you. And obviously, you know, this isn't going to make you $100 straight away every single day. This will take you time to build up. And what I would recommend you do, a little bit of a secret, is put more offers in the email marketing so you can make more money. Now, if you want some more tutorials on how to make money with Clickbank, I will leave some videos up on the screen right now. These are completely free for you to watch. I'm also going to leave a link below to my course that takes you through step by step how to start your own Clickbank business online. It's the best course online. You will never find one as good as this. I take you through step by step. I give you all my funnels and everything. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, drop a like on this video, and I'll see you on the video on the right.